Welcome to Ain't Scared Garage on a hot one. We're going to put a power port in here because the power port that's in here is, when you plug your little adapters in, it just falls out. So I'm putting a power port in, and it looks just like this one right here, where you just plug the USBs right in. And I have another another voltmeter as well. So stand by. Normally I would go online and go on YouTube and search how to do this, and I did that, and it seems to be there's no videos about how to change the stupid power port. So we're gonna figure it out together. So here's our power port right here. It seems to be loose in there. Trick is this has got to come out. I'm not sure how to get that out. If I'm not mistaken, I couldn't really get to it from there. Got a feeling I have to do something I don't want to do. The ashtray is jammed in here, so it doesn't rattle around. I don't use it anyway, because I don't smoke. But I think I'm going to have to unjam it. I think I got to get into it that way, almost positive. I hate to do this, but yep. Get you out of there. I want you. Of course the camera falls just like I get it open. All right, so we got that out. Now, let's just pull this out here. And I don't know what all I got in there. There's a cigarette lighter here too, but I'm not bothered with that because I don't use it. And I think this whole thing, pops out like that. Either that or I just broke it, which is probably what I did. I don't know. So I don't know. Get a screwdriver to get those out of there. All right, let's see what we got. I know I had to fiberglass this thing up because the plastic was shot. So I'm trying to be gentle if I can. Could go on with a bigger screwdriver, that's for sure. That's not the right size, it's too small. But it's working. And thank you, Ford. Let's see if this fits. Jackpot, good deal. I brought these just in case. My 10 millimeter. Now, want to replace this one is easy. All right, let's pull this out of here. You know what? There's another screw. Yep, as I recall, there's another screw right here. Now let's pull out. Cables are. Aha! Jackpot. Now I can get to it. Let's see how hard it's going to be to take off. I see plastic falling. I'd like to get that whole plastic thing out. Let's see. Yeah, it's Ford clipped in. Okay. Snap together cars. Yep. The bottom is being difficult. There. So if you get your fingers up behind there, then you can just push that out. Let's see, that's going to come off of here. Now I got some cable. I'm going to move this back up in here so I can use this cable and unplug this. It'll just unplug really easily. Yeah. There. Holy guacamole. So, I would get my fingers up in there and push on that till you push the whole thing out. Then you get this. I'm just going to do this here. This is how it will be installed. See, and now it's in there nice and tight. And you just take this sleeve, and we're going to install it like that. It's going to come out like that, and there it is. You know damn well I'm going to clean this thing. It's nasty thing. I have no clue how much I got on the video. The camera and the phone overheated also. These had eyelets on it. I cut them off because we don't need them. We're going to solder these onto the wires down here in the truck. And so we can just hook these up, because I kind of destroyed the plug when I took it apart. You've seen me solder a million times. I'll tell you what I said when the camera was off. If you want to see a video on soldering, let me know and I'll do a video just on soldering. All right, I'm going to solder these up. I'm going to put this camera in the shade. Like I said, I lost a bunch of video because the camera's overheated. So here's the deal. This power port is quite a bit larger than the actual cigarette lighter plug or whatever the heck it is. So what I had to do is I had to take my big drill bit and my stepper bit, and I had to drill the hole out. It worked, and as you can see here, it's quite a bit larger. But we did get it, but we got it fixed. All right. My secondary camera's overheated. Still. Never cooled off. I got the phone working. Question is for how long. So what we have here is there's our original wires. If you notice, you got the black one. There's 2 wires. I think one of them is actual ground. The other one I think goes into here to this cigarette lighter. And the blue one is our hot. And so I've soldered and shrink wrapped them. And there they are, all good to go. And they come up here to this. I'm trying to do this one-handed, since I only have one camera. And then we're going to take this bad boy here, and on the back of this it shows positive and negative. Positive is the gold one, negative is the silver one. Take my positive line here, I'm going to plug it in right here. Hold on. I kind of had to hold on to it to plug it in. It plugs in kind of hard, which I guess is good. Black line here, same deal, but it's going to go on the silver side. That's our negative. And they're insulated. They got their rubber insulations on. That's a good thing, you know. Hold on. And I'll plug them in right there. And they plug in just like that. And there we have it. Now we're coming here. We're going to grab our power port, which is going to hang this way here. And it says we got 12 volts. And we actually had 11.9 something. So yeah. Now, I think, all right, my only concern here is that this doesn't have a on-off. I thought this was an on-off, but it's not. So this thing is going to be running all the time. I hope it doesn't run down the battery. It can't pull much. All right, so now the cables, we're going to shove back up in here. And I'll probably pull them down the bottom so I can tie them up nice and neatly, because they'll be coming out the bottom, I'm sure. Let's see, right here. Put that right there for the time being. So right now I'm one-handed, so yeah. There. And this is going to go in here. Oops. Yeah, no, that's the right way. Goes right there. Goes right there. And should pop right in there. And there we have it. I got 2 USB ports that I can use right there that aren't going to fall apart. 11.9, 11.7, 11.8. Look at the battery going down. I may wind up having to put a switch on that. Yeah, I may have to put a switch on that so that can be turned off. But we'll see. Let me put the rest of this junk here together, okay? So there we have it. We got a USB port plugged in there. So I can take a USB, and top or bottom, either one. Turn it over so it goes in the right way. Plug it in, and I got power for USB. I got 2 ports there. Not crazy about the fact that that doesn't turn off. We'll see if it kills the battery or not. But it's in, because that's going to stay on, unfortunately, the whole time. And the ashtray's back together, and it's crammed in there so it won't open up on me again, because, like I say, I don't smoke. So that's a quick one. If you like that, you're looking for more stuff like that, check this one out right here. There, I think it's right here. And we'll see you next time. See ya.